Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I had this quote from Dr. Miles Monroe. Sight is a function of the eyes, but vision is a function of the heart. Today, I wanted us to share a little about the vision for your life. And vision is what you focus on until your desired results are fulfilled. Vision dictates your lifestyle, how you spend your time, money, and resources. Vision makes you create a very narrow focus, leading you to mastery of one thing and one thing only. So what's that one thing in your life that you are focusing on? Because vision will make you do that. Vision also helps you choose your friends. If your closest friends are going in the opposite direction of where you're trying to go, they don't belong in the inner circle anymore. It's time to get some new friends. And also, vision will dictate the books you read, the conferences you go to, even your diet. Because accomplishing and fulfilling your vision will require so many changes from you, you know. And yes, your vision will require your mental, physical strength, endurance, resilience, patience, and persistence. You will have to grow up, toughen up, get a thick skin, because all kinds of interruptions will come your way. But because of the vision, you keep your eye on the ball. Vision will also point out things in your life that need to be eliminated. Not only do we add things, but eliminating things that don't serve us anymore is very necessary. Without vision, you will live a very disorganized, purposeless life, and that's not ego style. We are looking forward to all of you raising up and living a purposeful life, a fulfilled life, a life with your desires. So I encourage you, wherever you wrote your vision, look at it again. Write your vision down and make it plain. So vision is very, very important. You have to have eyes to see, and see with your heart, the eyes of your heart. As always, leave your comments below and join the Facebook group or the WhatsApp group. This is Mother Eagle. Talk to you soon. Bye.